UK 5 new visas that the UK has introduced. If you want to move to the UK, right now is the best time. It's now possible for many new talent to move to the UK. So it doesn't matter what skill level you have, you can still move to the UK and start your new life there. You can sponsor yourself, you can get sponsored by someone from there, and you can even be someone who doesn't need any sponsorship at all. You can just move to the UK yourself, you can move for business ideas or your startups, or you can participate in a mentorship group that are selected from all over the world. So these people will be mentored by experts and they can move to the UK along with their dependent members such as their spouse and children. So a lot is happening in the UK as far as immigration is concerned, and today we are going to cover all these new visas, what their main requirements are, the processing time, and who can apply for them. So if you're interested in moving to the UK, either alone or with your family, to watch this video till the end. Before I proceed, please allow me to take a second and remind you of how important it is to subscribe to my channel Fly Dream Immigration for more interesting videos like this that can help you relocate abroad for work, study or visit. The budget in the UK this year has specified 5 new pathways for people who want to move to the UK, and we are going to discuss each one in detail. The first one is called the Scale of Visa. The Scale of Visa is a work visa aimed at those who have high levels of skills and qualifications and is going to open from the 22nd of August 2022. Now, the field of work can be in any industry, doesn't matter if you're an HR admin, tech, finance, logistics or any other field for that matter. For this visa, applicants will have to have a sponsored job, and that job offer must have an annual salary of at least £33,000 a year. There's also an English requirement, so whoever the company selects has to go through an English test and score at least a B2 level on the CEFR or the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, which is similar to what an ICE test does for Canada. Regarding the companies that can sponsor you, they must have seen at least a 20% of boost in revenue over the course of the last 3 years, which is 2019, 2020 and 2021. And at the start of the 3-year period, the business must have had at least 10 employees. So if the company fulfills these conditions, they can hire whomever they want from anywhere in the world. There's no cap or limit of employees that they can sponsor. So that's great too. This visa is mainly created to enable newly established businesses and startups in the UK to hire the best skilled labor from all around the world. In some sectors, such as fintech, it's known that there is a high reliance on overseas skilled talent. The new scale of visa is needed to ensure that growing companies don't need to move to a different country to find the skills that they require. The second visa is the High Potential Individual, or the HPI visa. Now, this one is actually the preferred visa that you should opt for, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, this visa can be a self-sponsored one, which means that you don't need to rely on any company. You can sponsor yourself and move to the UK. This visa opened on the 30th of May 2022. For this visa, you don't need a job offer, you don't need any employer support or anything of that sort. You can even include your partner and your children in your application to join your stay in the UK with you. Now, to be eligible, you must have graduated from one of the lists of top universities from different places around the world listed on the UK government website. You can find this list from the description box below. Your education must have been obtained in the last 5 years, and you'll need to apply for an ECTO certificate, formerly known as NARIT, to check if your qualification is valid and at the right level as a UK credential, similar to the ECA that you need to get for Canada. For this visa, too, you'll need an English test and you need to score at least a B1 level on the CFR scale. The third type of visa is the Global Mobility Visa. The Global Mobility Visa opened on April 11, 2022. Now, a lot of countries are offering this visa, but they have caps on the number of visas that they can issue, which means that there is a limit on the number of people that they are inviting using this visa. The UK, however, has no such caps or limits, which makes this an excellent opportunity for you. Similar to the ICT or intra-company transfer for Canada, this visa allows companies from across the world to transfer their existing employees to their branches in the UK. There will be no questions asked, no high requirements like a fixed salary needed, no issues on designations, nothing like that. As long as a company feels that a person can be beneficial to a role created in their UK office, they can simply transfer the employee on this visa. This visa will be especially beneficial to companies wanting to open a branch office in the UK, and it will be beneficial to people wanting to move to the UK for short-term assignments or roles. This visa can be processed in as little as 3 weeks or even lesser. So that's great too. Coming to the next visa, which is the Innovator Visa. This visa is mainly for entrepreneurs and those individuals with innovative business or startup ideas who wish to execute them in the UK. Your business idea must be new. You can't join an existing business in the UK. And you must have an original business idea which is different from anything else on the market. Almost all countries offering such business visas always have a funding requirement, or a fixed amount of capital that you would have to invest in the countries that you wish to move to. Which means that you have to either apply for these funds or you have to possess these funds yourself to be able to move to a country of your choice. The UK, however, is trying to make this easier for you in a way that if you have an idea that's innovative enough and it's not currently in the market yet, you don't need any startup funds or any money to invest. This comes with a few conditions though. That your business is already established and has been endorsed for an earlier visa. Or you've changed your business and already agreed it with your endorsing body. If you don't fulfill either one of these conditions, then you'll need to invest at least £50,000 to apply for an Innovator Visa. If you want to set up a new business, you also get an option of fast-tracking your visa application. If your idea is really innovative and unique, you can bring your partner and children with you as your dependents and even apply to settle permanently in the UK after 3 years. Now coming to the fifth visa, which is the Global Talent Visa. This is a great visa created for experts in academic and research, arts and culture and digital technology. In short, the government of UK has established pathways to identify talent in these three fields and they'll groom them and mentor them to facilitate their move to the UK. What's amazing is that they have currently selected 3 cities in the whole world where these individuals will be mentored in talent hubs set up there. And these cities are the Bay Area in California, Boston in Massachusetts and Bangalore in India. Basically, the UK is going to establish networking hubs and tech and science hubs in these cities and they're going to groom individuals that are experts in their eligible fields and they can then move to the UK. So if you're someone from these 3 awesome cities, look out for these mentorship hubs for the Global Talent Network and see if you can move to the UK. This visa is also processed in 3 weeks. Alright, guys, so those were the 5 new visas that the UK has introduced. Like I always say, don't keep good information like this to yourself alone. So do well to share this video with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative travel abroad videos. I wish you the best of luck with your application and hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching and see you later in my next video.